Good evening, friends. Now this is the second part of this series, షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది నాలెడ్జ్. పంచుకుంటే పెరుగుతుంది మన నాలెడ్జ్. ఆ సిరీస్లో ఇది రెండో పార్ట్. నౌ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ రిమైన్ సేమ్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద రిసార్ట్స్ అండ్ farm stay. The dynamics are changing very fast rate, and when you're changing the dynamics, there is a ample of opportunities can be identified by the people who have got that heart to identify the opportunities to take advantage of that one. అంటే మనం ప్రకృతితో సహజీవనం చేయబోతున్నాం ఈ రిసార్ట్స్లో కానీ ఈ ఫామ్ స్టేలో కానీ. ప్రకృతి మన దగ్గరికి, ప్రతి మనిషి మన ప్రకృతిలో దైనందిక జీవితంలో సిటీలో ఉండి ప్రకృతితో సహజీవనం చేస్తే ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇట్ గివ్స్ ఎన్ ఏ గ్రేట్ ప్లెజర్ టు అవర్ మైండ్. when you get the great pleasure as for the feelings and then the mind, automatically you will be more happy, more energetic and more healthy. Definitely the change in dynamics, a lot of opportunities. In the same way, we got the different centers here. We take it different parameters or different factors to be considered in the resorts or the life in this farm stay. In the say here, the wellness centers is in the wellness centers, mostly the Ayurvedic and naturopathy concepts and the lifestyle, how the lifestyle should be there, how the healthy living should be there, what are the diet to be followed, how your day schedule should be there, so that your mind and your body in cohesion comes as union and gives a more healthiness to your body and your mind. That means there is actually the healthiness comes through the two factors. Through the mind is also required, through the body. If you are not healthy as far as your mind concerned, you will not be healthy physical aspects. That means there are three parameters which are to be considered for the healthy of the mind. One is the mind, one is the body, one is your soul, that is spiritual concepts. And then fun and knowledge centers are there. And the dynamics, as earlier I told you, the dynamics are changing for each category of the people. The category of the people, young, you can see there is a lot of change in the young IT people. Those are young, they're going towards now the cultivation. They're going to the rural area, they're doing cultivation. There are some people, even they are very earning in the 5-figure salaries, still they're going and doing the cultivation. So you can observe this thing most parts of the cities. In the same way, old people also, there is just dynamics are changing. Old people also, they try to be active as per the mentally, and they try to be young mentally and spiritually. It is no more, it is now my physical age is 60, my mental age is 20, my spiritual age is maybe 10. That means as a spiritually, a person has to be like a child. The child activities, how he feels, if you observe him, he doesn't bother about that. He is in his own happy mood. So the person has to go in that stage, be happy like a child. That is, the concepts are changing now. When the concepts are changing, there is a lot of opportunities to take the advantage of that one. In the same way, the resorts or farm stay can be used as a learning centers. Learning centers, as earlier also I told this first series, learning centers can be your lifestyles, your way your diet should be there, the way your diet should be there, the way you are scheduling your day timings and day activities, and these are the things. And this that means terrace gardens, and staying in the cities also, how to stay healthy. These concepts also there. Then comes to the agrotourism. In the agrotourism, mostly there is here this is the, since your concept is resort concept based on the farms or cultivation. In the cultivation, there are various aspects of the cultivations are there. There are now you can find the cultivation earlier the cultivation the farmers there are here also the dynamics it came into the role when the IT people when the tech savvy people are coming to the farming. They say per acre the earning can be increased more than 1 lakh. More than 1 lakh. Now I'll tell you one more interesting thing. Mr. Akash Chaureshya from the Sagar district of the Madhya Pradesh, who claims that he can generate 10 lakhs of rupees per year per acre. He is a Prime Minister awardee. He is awardee from the different Krishi centers. Patanjali also has given a award to him for his income. That means he got a award. And there is the 5 layer of crop. That means 5 crops can be cultivated at the time. At a time, 5 crops. It's not the one crop. Multi-crop. That means on the ground, leafy vegetables. And below that one, there is a ginger or turmeric. Then there is a side creepers. Then not side actually the creepers will be on the pandir lagesi. Then jali type they make it, and that one that is dondakaya, berakaya, kakaragaya will be there in the creepers. That is that jali lag. And the same way in the side, on the vertical side, then you can go tomato type we can crop it. Then there is at particular points there is the papaya. Here the concept is again if you see in that Google also you can find very well there is a structure is being made with the bamboo sticks. With the bamboo stick the structure is made and the full every inch space is being utilized for the 5 crops at a time. 5 crops at a time throughout the year you can earn more than 10 lakhs rupees. And with the same way, Subhash Walekar 5 layer for farming, you can earn more than 1 lakh rupees per year. So that means different dynamics are coming, like Israeli way of cultivation, only with the water, without soil cultivation. That means aquaponics. There are many things that mean the fish farming. These are coming. In the same way, in the agrotourism, in the resorts, or in the farm stay, this type of activities, if you do cultivate, you can earn the income also from the agriculture, and the same way this can be shown for the visitors. It can be more interesting point. It can be more as a learning centers for the other people. And then the night activities also can be planned such a way that there is something like you can say what to say here the campfires, some activities, fun activities, some games, night which can be planned up to certain 10 o'clock something. After that everything is compulsory to be closed so that the people can have the good, nice, peaceful night. Then tomorrow and again next day morning they regenerate, they have a sleep, then they regenerate their body and night come to the readily available for the next day. That means these are the factors to be considered. Then, as I told the first part of the series also, we should have for attracting anybody to the resorts or the farm stay, people should experience a very new experience, something very exciting experiences like drives, bullock cart drive, horse drive. Now you see, you must have seen the picture. I think what do you call it? Fida picture. Sai Pallavi drives a tractor. By seeing that view, you feel excited. Actually, I should also drive a tractor in the cultivation land. The same way, that means certain feelings to be. People, everybody will have, and they like to fulfill those desires, those desires that should be catchy for the resorts or the farm stay to attract the more people. Like Burdamatal Patato. That's funny. That's very great experiences. Burdamatal Patochu kada. అట్లానే ఫిషింగ్ మన స్టిక్తో ఫిషింగ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. బట్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ టు బి ఫెసిలిటేటెడ్ బై ద రిసార్ట్స్. సో దెన్ ద పీపుల్ మీద అట్లానే పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. ఈ పిల్లలకి చాలా వాటితో ఆడుకోవాలని ఉంటుంది. ఏటితో? పావురాలతో, కోళ్ళతో, కుందేళ్ళతో, నెమళ్ళతో, కోడి దూడలతో, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇట్ ఇస్ పాసిబుల్. పెట్ దట్ మీన్స్ సర్టన్ ఏరియా క్యాన్ బి సెగ్రిగేటెడ్ లైక్ పెట్స్ జూ, ది వే ద చిల్డ్రన్ క్యాన్ బి ఎంటర్టైన్డ్ వెరీ నైస్లీ అండ్ వెరీ గుడ్ వే. In the same way, the activities of the resorts also should be there to entertain that old people. They may not go the boating allowed, but young people can go boating. The same way for the old people, what are the activities which they require? That is spiritually, or something laughing, something mentally which satisfies them. Loneliness and brings the to remove the loneliness as the groom team activities. It gives immense pleasure. And the lifestyle, Ayurvedic, naturopathy, and terrace garden. This gives also very interesting to that ladies, housewives, and old people. Ladies also very good experience will have. They can go and participate in paal petkatam. That means taking the paal, milk, cattle milk. These are good experiences. Venadi item good experiences. Then they are participating in the production of the making that Ayurvedic some products. For this type of things, there is some infrastructure should be there. Enough infrastructure should be there in the resorts. That means infrastructure. What type of infrastructure is required? If you take in all the activities parameters to fulfill those activities, the necessary especially minimum required infrastructure we require, especially here, is that for the children, for the all types of people, they should stay very peacefully. That means huts should be there. And the similar way, the swimming pool should be there. Without swimming pool, people will not get entertained, most of them. And wherever they play in Borda, in mud gate also, they can take bath there, and then again one more fresh regenerate body, and they can stay here. Stay here. Then artificial jungle, that is one of the good concept also is there. If you got more than something 10, 20 or 50 acres of the land, you know, all around at the boundary, something 1 acre width, if you give to the if you bring up the jungle, like based on the concept of the Akira Miyawaki, jungle, only jungle will be there. Jungle, how that dense jungle. Create a dense jungle, it's possible. Within 3 years, you can dense jungle can be created, which can give a more scope to the agrotourism and eco-living. Eco-living also, that eco-living means we are living the nature. With the nature means again the different living things are there. We are staying with them. Kollu, pauralu, kundellu, namallu. These are the things. They gives a lot of dynamic or exciting experience you can have here. In the same way, artificial lake, so that can cater to that your boating, the fishing, certain water facilities, water based some activities can be. Same wellness centers can be, one doctor will be there, and we knows the well thorough of this naturopathy, Ayurvedic, then the certain product, certain lifestyle theories, guidance, everything. That means the old people most like to go to them, and they have some problems are there, they can be solved, or what is the natural way of treating the things. In the same way, huts also to be catered depending on that category of the people who are staying. And here one of the main thing is that other than the living the infrastructure, there should be lot of activities which are to be maintained by the resorts. Here it is mainly the resorts can be has to be maintained with the concept of the variation. Variation means today I come to the resort, after 1 week, after 1 month if I come, the same activities if are there, that means the excitement will not be there for me. That means to attract the recurring visitors, we have a variation. That means the person who is managing operational in charge or manager should be so dynamic, and every day each schedule to be changed, variation should be brought, so that excitement to the visitors can be maintained and it can be developed. In the similar way, there should be some small centers, which is of the some the meeting centers, some party centers. Of course, the drinks, that is again a different factor, which should not be allowed as for me. And tents, stay, and which can be catered to the different budget category of visitors, which can cater to the facilities, can be brought into that one. Similarly, now we will go in the third part, again the economics of the running of the resorts. Here, before that one, this operational management is one of the best factor in the resorts, to maintain the quality, different facilities, and the items which you use should have the good quality, and the services being provided by the people, and the people services and other facility services should be have the world class and highly appreciated. And that's why the feedback should be there to be taken from everybody from the before leaving the resort, so that it can be taken very nicely, so that it can more further development can be always inculcated, so that the tempo and operations can be gives in good returns and maintain the brand image in successful running of this one. Thank you. We'll meet again in the third part of this series, sharing knowledge. Thank you.